How to change the language on Twitter app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the language on Twitter easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to Twitter app. Now go to the top corner and click on your profile picture right here, and go down and click on settings and privacy. Then go down again and choose accessibility, display and languages. Now right here you will find the languages option. All what you have to do is click on it. Now choose the first option, its preferred language, and click update. Now you can add or search for a new language and click next. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.